Audio CD 1, Track 2. Unit 1, Airport Check-in. Nick and Lisa are going to Paris to study French. They have just arrived at the airport. Let's find the check-in counter. We're flying Pan World Airlines.
I think it's at this end of the terminal. Yes, I see the sign over there. Are you sure you don't want to go by boat?
Come on, Nick. Here's the economy class check-in counter. Hi, we want to check in.
May I have your tickets and passports, please?
Yes, here you are. And we'd like a window and an aisle seat if possible.
Let's see. Okay. How many bags will you be checking in today?
4, 2 each.
Please put them on the scale. Good. Uh-oh, your bags are too heavy. I'm afraid there will be an overweight luggage charge of $30.
Oh no, I told you not to pack so many things.
I'll pay the overweight charge.
Here are your boarding cards. You can board at gate 9 at 7:30.
We could drive to Paris. There are no weight limits for luggage when you drive.
Drive to Paris? There are no roads from Liveville to Paris, Nick.